Alright homies, so we're completely done with the whole car. Now it's sad that I wasn't able to wrap the whole car. It sucks, but whatever, you know, I learned a lot of tricks. I had the wrap, so you know what, I just had to do a little design here at the door. And I hope you guys like it. I think it's pretty dope. I was able to cut this after the side skirt to make it like a really cool cut through there. So yeah, that was just something that I learned, you know, while cutting and, you know, wrapping the car. But honestly guys, I'm very happy with myself. Being a beginner, I was able to do all this hood, the fenders, the bumper, and the doors. I'm very happy what I was able to do. Especially with the hood, like that was a major setback, but you have to learn from your mistakes. You have to be, you know, hard-headed really when you're rapping, and you have to be patient though. But I was able to do the hood, both fenders, and I think the door and the side skirts in total took me 10 minutes. And shout out to Mike and Junior for helping me out. This was so easy to do once you know what you're doing. With the bumper, I do have a lot of mistakes which I gotta fix. It will be fixed in this video. And then also, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna detail my hood. Since this is a wrap, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna detail the hood. So yeah guys, let's get to it. Again guys, I really hope you like the wrap and how it turned out. You know, with all the tricks of tucking it in, cornering, it's just like a bittersweet moment that I finished the whole wrap. So let's get to it, homies. So I forgot to mention another thing that we used while, you know, wrapping, and that was the plastic dip. Now I use this Rust-Oleum vinyl wrap, and it was a really good vinyl wrap, especially like using it around the bumper, which was mainly what we used it for. Using it for right here, the bottom parts, inside the fog lights, as well under the headlights. So I'm really proud of myself of using vinyl wrap, just because this is my first time using this, just like the wrap, and I was able to do a lot of things. Now, secondly, not sponsored, but shout out to your boy, is brake cleaner. Now I got this from O'Reilly's, and it's really good for cleaning up smudges. Now I know I said I was going to detail the hood, but obviously, you know, you got to clean this up here where the smudges are at. Now sometimes I like to, you know, shake it up and use it around like the areas where you can see all these smudges just collecting and stuff. And what happens is when you plastic dip too much, it runs off and it ends up, you know, going to places where you don't want it to go, obviously. So obviously you got to be really quick, you got to be keen now, you got to be fast. Just because sometimes what could happen is, like, if you don't pay attention, if you don't wrap it well, and also if you don't tape it well, what happens is it gets under the wrap and it starts lifting up, just like in this section. It's really bad when you Alright homies, so in this part of the video, you'll see me taking off this wrap as fast as possible due to the reason that my paint guy needed this bumper at that moment, man. That hour he needed the bumper, so I'm taking this thing off so fast. But the thing is, I didn't think that taking off wrap was gonna be this hard, homies. Like, have y'all seen that episode of SpongeBob where they were taking off Sandy's, they were taking off her fur with like duct tape or something? Bro, that's like giving a squirrel like a Brazilian wax. It is the hardest thing to take off. You have to use a heat gun, a hair dryer. But my hair dryer is like, man, my hair dryer can't even, like, I don't even know, like, this thing doesn't have no power to it. It was giving cold air instead of hot air. So I'm like, what's the point of this? So that's why I got a heat gun later in this video. But man, when I tell you, taking off this thing was the hardest thing. It's like taking off a band-aid. And if you hairy like me and you try to take off a band-aid, man, does it hurt? It's like that. It's like taking off so slow. But man, did I take it off that fast, homies, and I got it delivered as soon as possible. But it's just funny how I just really didn't think it was gonna be that hard to take off. And then also I got these fog lights and I'm gonna get them painted. As you can see, they're dusty, crusty, musty, all types of nastiness on this little fog light bezels. But I'm gonna take them painted too, so hopefully they come out really nice. But yeah, homies, keep watching the video so you can see the end product of how dope this bumper looks. Already like 1/3 of the way of taking this wrap off. It's funny how like a month's work I could take this thing off in like minutes. So yeah, what I've been doing is strategically cornering the wrap towards the sides and the corners. That way the corners and the sides are last. I'll explain that later. And as always, sub and like for your boy. But real quick, homie, y'all see this blade right here? Let me show y'all. Look at this thing. Imagine trying to get like an edge up with this. Boy, your hairline gonna get COVID, Ebola, all types of chaos in your hairline. But what I've been doing is lifting this up, and I bought a heat gun from Home Depot because that hair dryer wasn't doing nothing but curling my hair. But as you can see, I bought a heat gun and I heated it away from the paint and onto the wrap. And I also put my hand on there sometimes to make sure that the heat gun isn't, you know, burning the wrap, which it will do. So, dang it. Okay, alright. So just put it in there. A little bit more. You don't want it too hot. If your fingers can't touch it, you've gone too far, my boy. you're cooking your paint, baking it. So then I just lift it up a little bit, give him a Ebola razor, COVID-19 razor, and then start opening it up. Just like that. See? And then I just work my way down. So you guys will see that when I'm working on the car. So homies, as you see, it's snowing here in Texas now. It caught me by surprise just like anybody else. I didn't know it was gonna snow this much. But as you can see, the wrap is almost off of the hood. I just gotta get these little pieces right here around the corners, and I gotta get the other fender. The bumper I'm still waiting on, and to be honest, it may be pushed back. It was gonna be ready by Saturday. Today is Thursday. It snowed today. I don't know how bad it's gonna get tomorrow or Saturday, so it might be pushed back, which sucks because I really wanted some photos in the snow with the car because I know it would look so dope, but right now it looks so super derpy, so obviously it wouldn't look cool. I would turn it on for a cold start, but the thing is this battery is dead. RIP to the battery. It hasn't been turned on in like 2 weeks, so that's probably a reason why this battery is just super dead. But yeah, homies, I mean the car is close to being ready with the wrap coming off. I just really want that bumper back so I can get the full look. I really missed the all black, so yeah, it's looking really dope. Man, it just sucks I couldn't get some photos in the snow, man. I know I would have took some dope photos in the snow, but I mean, I guess things happen for a reason. But let's get back to taking off this wrap. Obviously not right now, once the weather gets a bit better, and putting on the bumper once I get it back. So thanks for watching, homies. Hopefully y'all like this video. Alright, homies, so it's been a very long time since that snow day. Thing is, I've been just working a lot. I don't have much time, but now that I have time, the snow's all gone. The weather's completely better. I think it's about like 70 degrees now. The bumper is done, homies. Let me show you real quick. Oh shit! Wait, bro. The point of that part was have my dog on here instead of the bumper. And this man just flew out of it. Man, let me just show you the bumper, man. I'm not even gonna cut it. Hold up. He's fine, by the way. Oh my god. Come here. Man. He's good, by the way. That boy would be tripping. Alright, so here's the bumper. Looks super clean, man. I'm super happy how it came out. The paint guy just went crazy with this. He fixed all the holes on top of the bumper, if you guys remember. And the front of the license plate as well. The little bundle that I put, well, he obviously, is way better at that. And, I mean, it just came out super nice, guys. Like, look at the reflection on it. It's just super clean. It's dusty right now because it's been sitting in my garage. My garage is like a dust bowl for some reason, but it looks really nice. But right now, gotta take off the rest of the wrap, put this on, and I got a new battery for the car because it just ran out of juice there. So, yeah, homies, let's get to this. Finish this video off. Alright, homies, so this is a bumper all assembled now. Now it's time to put it on the car. I've done all my talking, so now let's see how it looks like. Alright, let's see how the car looks like now. Oh man, that looks wild. Dang, that looks so good. Hold on, let me move a different angle here. Alright, homies, so there it is. The bumper is on and it looks amazing, homies. Now, obviously I don't have a chin spoiler. I actually have a video coming up deciding which chin spoiler I'm gonna choose. I actually do have 2 chin spoilers that I'm gonna decide on that video, so hope you guys stay in tune for that one. But man, does it look so good. Matter of fact, let me turn on these lights. Let's see how we look like. Oh yes sir, that looks really good. Man, I cannot wait to take photos. I'm gonna take some dope pics, but first we gotta get to that chin spoiler video. Then I'll take some pics, and man, that looks really, really good, homies. Alright, let me close out this video real quick. Alright homies, so we're completely done with the car. The bumper looks amazing on it. It just looks so clean and so sleek. Now real quick, I did want to say sorry just because I didn't wrap the whole car. I don't know what happened, either my equation was wrong or just I wasted that wrap on the hood, but either way I still wouldn't have completed the whole car. I was happy with how I was able to do with the wrap, meaning like tucking it, cornering it, and just learning a lot of things throughout the whole process as you guys saw from phase 1 and phase 2. Now in phase 3, obviously we saw that I didn't have enough wrap, but I tried to make a design, try to make it look as cool as possible. Some of you may like it, I didn't like it. I was definitely not gonna rock half and half wrap, no knocking other people's builds. It's just not my style. So I already knew plan B when I figured out I didn't have enough wrap, and that was to send this bumper to get painted. Now the thing is, it still came out pretty dope, you know, it looks pretty clean. And I wish I would have had more wrap just to wrap the whole car so you guys can see that part of the build. But I hope you guys pick up a thing or two from me wrapping the car or plastic dipping it as well when it came to the bumper. But I hope you guys liked this video. Very sorry I did not, you know, wrap the whole car, but I hope you guys, you know, are happy about this bumper and how it looks. And I do have many more videos lined up just because this took so long to take off, and I was already thinking of videos to make in the future. So I already have a bunch of videos lined up. And yeah, so the next one is going to be about a chin spoiler. I have 2 chin spoilers that I'm going to show off, and I'm going to decide which one looks best on this Corvette bumper. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video, phase 1, phase 2, and then phase 3. Again guys, I'm very sorry about, you know, taking off the wrap, but it just wasn't my style. But thank you guys for watching. As always, like, share, you know, to your family and friends, and yeah homies, keep showing love to your boy. See you till next time.